You know, 4 years ago, when I come back to China, I introduce, promote Middle East, especially Saudi. You know, maybe only 1% the Chinese guy know Saudi, or they have interesting about Saudi. This time, no matter I go to Singapore, Hong Kong, or China, I think at least 80% they are talking about Saudi. Of course, because the President Xi coming here, and in China, everybody know that the direction is the most important. Your boss liked it, so everybody want to know. But I want to say, it's really changed. It's really millions of companies. They are waiting come to Saudi. They are waiting to invest, cooperate with Saudi. So we just waiting what happened in the next few years. But I have much confidence than ever. Saudi really became strong, really different. Thank you.